All right, eighth grade math. This is our lesson 9 on finding percents. Okay, remember to multiply by a percent, rewrite the percent as a decimal or a fraction. Reminder, if your calculator has a percent key, you can convert your decimal to a percent with a calculator. Read the instruction booklet to find out in what order you need to press the keys to convert a decimal to a percent. So, Asim is visiting his aunt. He bought a shirt costing $15 and paid 45 cents in sales tax. What is the sales tax rate in his aunt's town? To find a rate as a percent, follow these steps. You divide the amount of tax by the base, the item's price. Change the result from a decimal to a percent. Asim paid 45 cents in sales tax. This is the amount the shirt cost. This is the amount the shirt costs is $15. This is the base. Notice that you are dividing the smaller number by the larger number, so your answer will always be less than 1. So on your calculator, if you took 45 cents divided by 15, you get 0.03, and that set is 300ths. You change the 0.03 to a percent by moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So if you notice, they moved it 1, 2, and 3%. So the rate of tax is 3%. Down below, we have another reminder, and it says, to round to a given place, look at the digit to the right of the rounding place. 5 or above, you round up. 4 or below, you round down or you stay the same. So, Chelsea bought a book that usually cost $25 for $5 less. What is the percent discount she get on the book? So you're going to take your $5 and you're going to divide by 25. And when you do that on your calculator, you get 0.2. That's a decimal. And then in order, I'm going to write it over here. In order to change it from a decimal to a percent, you have to move it 2 places to the right. Well, there's 1 place. And if I move it 2 places, notice there's this blank here. I have to use a 0 to fill it in. And then the decimal is now over here, so it is 20%. All right. Bert paid $16.25 less for a pair of jeans with a regular price of $25.99. What is the percent discount to the nearest percent? So on your calculator, you punch in $16.25 divided by $25.99. And when you do that, you get this number of 0.6254047. As you know, when you're dealing with money, you only have 2 decimal places. So this time I'm going to draw a line right there because I only need 2 decimal places. So this is my circle, and I'm going to round it. Remember, if it's 5 or above, my circle rounds, and hopefully you guys all said up. So my final answer becomes 63%, because to change from a decimal to a percent, I moved it 1, 2 places. All right. So make sure you have all of this copied down before going on to the next page. All right, we have our exercises here. Now, if you remember back in the directions, it said you're always taking the smaller number and dividing by the larger number. And that is true in every single problem on this page. So if you look at problem number 3, the sales tax on a $24 baseball game ticket is $1.20. Find the sales tax percent. So remember, smallest number, $1.20. I'm going to divide by my larger number. And when I do that, I get an answer of 0.05. I move my decimal place 2 places to the right, so it becomes 5%. Now, By putting that percent sign on there, that is the label for my problem. All right. So smaller number divided by your larger number, you get a decimal. You change the decimal to a percent by moving it 2 places to the right. You label your answer by using the percent sign. And that is going to be true for problems 3 through 10. But when you get down to problem number 9, notice how it says round to the nearest whole percent. So you're going to get numbers beyond 2 decimal places. So you have to find the nearest whole percent. That's on 9 and 10. When you get down to the application, it says write a paragraph explaining how to find the percent of the sale if you know the amount of discount and the original price. So you need to put into words what you were just doing up here. Remember, you take the smaller number divided by the larger number, get a decimal, change it to a percent. Take the sale price, the discounted price, divided by the original price, get a decimal, change it to a percent. All right, don't forget when you get everything done to submit it to me through Canvas. Good luck and have fun.